Chassis Pips! Now I'm here at Manila Pen to attend the MaArte open house. I'll be checking out designs by our talented local designers, the clothes, the shoes, the sandals, accessories, earrings, bags. But before that, don't forget to click the subscribe button. We had so much fun checking out beautiful stuff from our local designers. They are so talented. Clothes from Amari. Wear your culture. Ken Samudio. Rurungan sa TUBOD. And of course, the legendary Randy Ortiz. Accessories and jewelry from Miki Olaguer and Ken Samudio. And intricate bags from Ramey Luis and Aranas. Chassis Pips, I'm with Ram, bag and accessory designer. Yeah, and these three bags are my favorites among the rest. So this is one. Can you show me this, Ram, how you do
Two-way
this?
siya. In a tote bag.
Okay.
And then,
Nice. That's super nice.
picture lang siya.
So this is package of the bag, not Ram.
Not lang. Okay din siya.
So this one, the bandana bag, very unique, diba? So can you see someone wearing this kind of bag? Nope, only Ram. Shoes and sandals from Ramir. They are all beautiful. So you have to visit MaArte Fair every year. Usually they have it every August, every third week of August. For my outfit for today, I would like to thank ESTILLO Tropical Manila for my earrings. And of course, I'm wearing the Beyond 25 collection of paints and prints designed by Ratiala. And I paired it with the tulle crap of Zara. And I have this beautiful bag, an inspiration of Jackie Moose, but this is mango. And my beautiful sleepers from my friend Jenny. This is a birthday gift from Jenny Cibulo. Hope you like this video for this week, and thank you for watching. And please don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell for you to be notified whenever I posted a new video.